I would invite, before we honor him, I would invite Shri Mandolin Prasad, Sthapakaru of the Ragashri Music Academy and one of the chief brains behind this concept to address the gathering. Shri Mandolin Prasad.
Respected guests and music lovers, Ragashri Music Academy started in 2006. As a mandolin player, I have been working from past 40 years, playing for sessions, performing. And 2006, I started an institution inaugurated by Padma Bhushan R.K. Srikantan sir. I do classes for voice culture and music awareness and mandolin techniques of mandolin. We had some students. My motto was to teach the technical aspects of music. So many students used to come. This ambition, I had this from long years. I didn't get any support during those years. But I have to tell how it has happened. People started coming to me, and once I decided to take my students to Pune. Before that, I had the project of doing workshops, calling some great musicians, and I used to say, workshop, what's the use of workshop? Workshop, they cannot learn anything instantaneously. The person who has taught them in the workshop, that goes to subconscious mind of person. If they start materializing certain things, if they recollect from the subconscious, they would do it. In that way, Narsim Naik, Puttur Narsim Naik was a great help. I started first workshop on harmonium, done by, he's here, Namaskaram sir, Sudhir Naik, Pandit Sudhir Naik, a renowned harmonium player. He saw my zeal and enthusiasm, and he said, you are a mad person, I will introduce you madder person. He said, I couldn't understand what he's saying, no. Then there is one person by name Anil Pense in Pune. He has a mandolin lovers club, like you only, he is like you. Then I decided to take my students to Pune. We met Anil Pense, we had a gathering, then we made a trip to Bombay. There is one person named Mukesh Gandhi, we just met there. Around 35 mandolin players were there. I was surprised to see most of the mandolin players were senior citizens, out of which I met a great person by name Pradipto Sen Gupta. He is the most dedicated, famous, now he is going to perform today. And we were just speaking candidly, and they were all planning, why don't we do Mando Fest? It started that way, Suddenly, just a year later, Anil Pense planned Mando Fest in Pune. Then another guy took an interest, and then Pradeep Rathore from Kolhapur did a Mando Fest in Kolhapur. Then I requested Pradeep Gupta, shall I take it over to Bangalore? Then, well, let's do it. And then we had a meeting in Bombay and we planned the program. And why it is the fest? First, because people, they know mandolin as such, it sounds, that's all. Then it could sing also. That's why mandolin used to be used for the playing effects and other thing. Now, so many mandolin solo players are there. To promote mandolin, it's not for the sake of individual, it is promote the instrument for the Indian culture, whatever is the instrument as such. This plan has been materialized. I should thank Mandolin Lovers Club for this. And when we went for meeting to Bombay, Mr. Abhijit Samant treated me very well. We all sat, all committee members sat and planned. this has become a mega event now. So that's how it started. And along with me, the big support is Protsaha Academy and my family and my volunteers, everything. I thank His Highness for coming here. I thank Mr. Kamath. Thank you very much.